Kaing hapon ya by hapon karon, and yeah, it's very cold. Thing is, I need to fix this place of the house. We have only a few days. Today's Thursday. I need to be out of the house Monday. Need to have it clean. I need to get all my crap there and move it here, and then slowly sell them. I didn't have time to sell them. I saw bags there. But anyway, this is how it looks. It's very hugaw na siya. Kanang siya mga stuff there before. And these are some of my stuffs. My heater for my workstation. That's my workstation here in the garage. But I might move that there. Sa pikas balay dito siya. I might move up there. But you see, it's very crowded. And you see, muning linya sa car. Kaya huot pa ng car. I have to make sure that I maximize the space. Dili kutob ang car. But diha ang akong guideline sa camera. Kanang black. So yeah, I need to get rid of some of the stuffs here. Di pa nita pa daghan ngadto, which is really a lot, but I need to get rid of them fast, very fast. I have treadmills pa that I can need to chuck. But anyway, let's make it happen. I need to fix this table first. So yeah. Pero muna siya desk and NAS, so wala pa mo man. So tune in next time kay wala pa mo man gani. Umulong pa rin ako. Eko kayo.